Hey guys, Sak here from SAKITECH, and in today's video I want to talk about a revolutionary product. This is the UWANT X100 Cordless all-in-one floor cleaner. It is a wet-dry vacuum which mops and vacuums at the same time, and it is capable of easily cleaning huge messes. After cleaning, it is also capable of self-cleaning, so it's ready for its next task. Now here's an example of me easily cleaning out a whole bunch of mess, which is a mixture of milk, jam, spices, and orange juice. Normally this kind of mess takes a whole lot of time to clean, but this cordless floor cleaner makes short work of it. It does have incredible cleaning power. Now let's dive in and see some of its powerful features, as it is a carefully developed product with a host of features beneficial for the user. Now, one of the big benefits of UWANT X100 over other similar products is it does have a patented dual brush design. You can see we have one brush right here and one brush right here. Now this enables scrubbing twice at a time. That is double the cleaning power. And also they work together as a team, so the front brush cleans up all the mess, and then the back brush cleans up all the water stains left by the front brush. So after cleaning, you're not going to see any marks on the floor. As soon as the water dries, it's going to look pristine. So the result is that you can easily clean messy situations like this, and with dual brush technology, it cleans and leaves no marks as soon as that water dries. No water marks to worry about. Now with conventional vacuums, you have to disassemble them and you have to clean them, which takes time, it takes effort. With UWANT, you actually have a easy one-button self-cleaning option. So I just used the vacuum. All I'm going to do is I'm going to grab it. Okay, I'm going to grab it. I'm going to put it onto the charging station.
Start charging.
As you can see, it also gives me voice feedback. Now all I'm going to do is I'm going to press one button and this cleaner is going to self-clean. Now this button here is the self-clean button. Now before I click this button and self-clean, I'm going to show you one more thing that is also unique to this cleaner. During the self-cleaning process, there's actually a built-in blade right here that runs like this. Okay, and what this does is it actually cuts any hair tangled up inside that brush. So if there's any hair that's wrapped around that brush, the hair cutting device will cut it and then proceed to self-clean itself. Now here's a close-up look at that hair cutting device right here. And you can see that it makes contact with the roller brush. So now I'm going to do the self-cleaning, which already is amazing. And I'm going to get voice feedback on top of all this. So listen to this.
Hair cutting in progress. Self-cleaning started. Pipe cleaning in progress. Checking cleanliness.
So that just makes life super easy. Hair cutting, self-cleaning, all in one. Reduce time and effort for the user of this cleaner. And in fact, what you can do is you can actually pop this cover by pushing this to this side, this to this side, and lift this. And you can see that all the hair has been removed using that hair cutting tool, and the brush has been cleaned. And by the way, once you remove that cover, you can simply lift this up and you can take it out to dry. You want to make sure you dry this after a major cleaning session so it doesn't end up remaining wet, which might cause an odor. And of course the rear one, you just pull this to the side and that's going to pop as well. You can remove that and also dry that quickly in the sunlight or somewhere warm. Now another fantastic feature of this vacuum is the fact that it uses a high density 21700 type lithium battery, which gives you a maximum of 44 minutes of runtime, which is more than enough time to clean larger areas. Other cleaners on the market use smaller 18650 type batteries that only last 20 to 30 minutes. Those batteries are smaller and less reliable. The battery in UWANT is larger and has more reliability. So once it is fully charged, you can use it to clean larger areas. Now the actual capacity of the battery is 4000 milliamp hours and it supports fast charging. So it's going to charge from 0 to 100 in 3 hours, and it's going to be ready to go for another approximate 44 minutes. UWANT also has front and rear power assist, which allows you to move it back and forth with minimal effort. You can see I can drag the whole machine simply with my finger because of its power assisting feature. This cleaner is designed to make cleaning as effortless as possible, yet the cleaning power is like no other. Now you can see that you also have an LED display that shows you the current battery charge and even showcase the cleaning level and the water flow, and as you change the modes on the vacuum,
Standard mode.
it will talk
Turbo mode.
and tell you what's going
Smart
on.
mode.
So take a look at this.
Standard mode.
That's a standard mode.
Turbo mode.
That's the turbo mode, and you can see that the red cleaning level has maximized and the water flow has maximized. And then we have the smart mode
Smart mode.
that is going to auto detect contamination and change its properties automatically. And the final thing I like is its intelligent dirt sensing capability. Using infrared sensors, it detects the volume of contamination. And then based on that volume, it is able to adjust the suction power and the water volume as necessary. So it can use more power or less power on a need basis. To enable this feature, you do have to put the vacuum in the smart mode by pressing this button. And by the way, obviously there's a water tank somewhere. This thing mops the floors. So anytime you need to refill the tank, all you do is you pull this thing out and you just refill this with clean water. That's it. You just pull this up right here and you refill that with clean water. And the best part is UWANT is going to give you voice prompts to refill the water when it is necessary. And then once you do that, you just put this right back in place and snaps into place. And of course, all that dirt and debris has to go somewhere. So all the dirt collects into this dustbin here. And again, UWANT is going to tell you when the dustbin is full. So again, all you do is you press this button, you pull this out, you take this,
installed.
even tells you that you removed it. So you take this to the sink and you just empty the water. And then once you have cleaned this up, you just bring it right back, snaps right into place. And you're good to go for the next session. So that's what UWANT X100 is all about. Powerful cleaning capability, fast charging, and long battery life compared to other similar products. Effortless cleaning with power assist functionality, as well as its advanced self-cleaning, which includes a hair cutter, so you don't have to do any of that stuff. All these features differentiate this particular cleaner from other similar products. Now, links to buy will be down below, and if there's any coupon codes available for discounts, I'm going to drop them down below as well. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, also drop them down below and let me know. For now, guys, have a fantastic day.